What business can you start with 200,000 naira in Nigeria? And more importantly, can that business actually grow into something stable and profitable? This is where many people get stuck. They either feel the money is too small, or they rush into something without thinking it through properly. But the truth is simple. A small amount of money, when used with clarity and discipline, can become the foundation of a strong business. Across the world, small businesses are the backbone of economies. They create jobs, solve everyday problems, and grow into larger companies over time. What matters is not just how much you start with, but how well you understand what you are building, who you are serving, and how you manage your resources from the beginning. In this video, we will walk through 15 practical businesses you can start with 200,000 naira in Nigeria. For each one, you will understand what the business involves, how to start it properly, what it may cost you to begin, and how it can make money when done well. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. As you listen, do not try to do everything at once. Focus on understanding. Focus on clarity. Then choose the one that fits you best. The first business is liquid soap and detergent production. This is one of the most practical businesses because cleaning is a daily need. Homes, schools, restaurants, and offices all require cleaning products, which means demand is steady and predictable. To start, you need to learn the production process properly. This can be done through a short training or reliable tutorials. After that, you purchase your raw materials such as sulfonic acid, soda ash, and fragrance, along with basic mixing tools and containers. Packaging is also important because presentation affects how people perceive your product. With a starting cost of about 140,000 to 160,000 naira, you can produce your first batch and test the market. It is important to start small, improve your product quality, and gather feedback. Profit potential is strong. A batch that costs around 20,000 naira to produce can sell for up to 50,000 naira or more, depending on your pricing and customer base. With consistency and reinvestment, this can grow into a steady manufacturing business. 2. Thrift clothing resale business. The thrift clothing business, often called okrika, continues to grow because people want affordable fashion. This business works when you understand selection and presentation. To begin, you need to purchase a bale of clothing from a trusted supplier. Markets like Yaba in Lagos or Cotton Quarry in Kano are common sourcing points. Once you get your bale, the real work begins. You sort, wash, iron, and carefully present each item. Your starting cost will typically fall between 160,000 and 200,000 naira, depending on the quality of the bale and your branding effort. Profit comes from selling each piece individually. A bale purchased for 100,000 naira can generate between 150,000 to 200,000 naira in revenue. The difference between success and failure here is not just the clothes, but how you present and market them. 3. Plantain chips production. Plantain chips production is a simple but powerful business because it taps into everyday consumption. People snack while traveling, working, or studying, and if your product is good, they will keep buying. To start, you need fresh plantains, cooking oil, slicing tools, frying equipment, and packaging materials. Cleanliness is very important in this business because you are dealing with food. You can begin with a budget between 120,000 and 200,000 naira. Start with small batches and focus on quality, crispness, and taste. Profit margins can be high. A production batch that costs 10,000 naira can generate up to 30,000 naira in sales. As your brand becomes known, you can supply shops, supermarkets, and distributors. 4. Mobile phone accessories business. Selling phone accessories is one of the fastest moving retail businesses because of how often people replace these items. Chargers, earphones, screen protectors, and phone cases are always in demand. To begin, you source your products from trusted wholesalers such as Computer Village in Lagos. Focus on fast-moving items first instead of trying to stock everything. Your startup cost will usually fall between 140,000 and 190,000 naira. You can sell both physically and online through platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram. Profit margins range from 30 to 70% per item. With steady sales, it is possible to earn between 50,000 and 80,000 naira monthly, and more as your customer base grows. 5. Freelance typing and document editing. This business is ideal if you are organized and comfortable working on a computer. Students, businesses, and professionals constantly need help with typing, editing, and formatting documents. To start, you need a laptop, internet connection, and basic software tools like Microsoft Word. You can promote your services through social media and direct referrals. Startup costs range from 140,000 to 195,000 naira, especially if you need to acquire the device. You can charge between 500 and 2,000 naira per document. With consistent work, monthly earnings can reach 60,000 to 100,000 naira with very low operating costs. 6. Data and airtime reselling business. Data and airtime reselling is a digital business that operates from your phone. With almost everyone using mobile devices, demand is constant. You start by registering with a reliable VTU platform and funding your account. Then you sell data bundles, airtime, and even electricity tokens. Startup cost can be between 120,000 and 180,000 naira, depending on your initial capital. Profit per transaction may be small, but volume makes the difference. Daily earnings can reach 3,000 to 7,000 naira, leading to monthly income between 90,000 and 200,000 naira. 7. Custom T-shirt printing business. Custom T-shirt printing is driven by events, branding, and personal expression. People need shirts for birthdays, schools, and organizations. To start, you learn simple design using tools like Canva. You do not need to own a printing machine immediately. You can outsource printing while you focus on design and sales. Startup cost ranges from 130,000 to and 70,000 naira. Each shirt may cost around 2,000 naira to produce and sell for 4,000 to 5,000 naira. This gives strong margins, especially when you handle bulk orders. 8. Homemade snacks business. Homemade snacks such as chin chin, puff puff, and small chops are always in demand. This business works well because it provides daily cash flow. You start by perfecting your recipe, then producing in small batches. Packaging and branding play a big role in how your product is received. Startup cost ranges from 130,000 to 190,000 naira. A batch costing 20,000 naira can generate up to 30,000 naira in sales. With consistency, this business can expand into event catering and wholesale supply. 9. Laundry pickup and delivery service. Laundry services are growing, especially in busy cities where people do not have time to wash their clothes themselves. To start, you need basic washing supplies, an iron, and a simple delivery system. You can operate from home and focus on pickup and delivery. Startup cost ranges from 130,000 to 180,000 naira. You can charge between 500 and 1,000 naira per item. With steady customers, monthly income can reach 75,000 to 100,000 naira. 10. Organic skincare business. Organic skincare is a growing market because more people prefer natural products. However, this business requires proper knowledge and care. You need to learn formulation, understand ingredients, and ensure product safety. Then you produce items such as body butter, scrubs, and soaps. Startup cost ranges from 130,000 to 190,000 naira. Profit margins can be strong, often between 30 and 60%. With good branding and customer trust, this can grow into a recognized beauty brand. 11. Shoe and bag cleaning service. This business focuses on restoring shoes and bags instead of replacing them. Many people prefer to clean and maintain what they already own. To start, you need cleaning kits, brushes, and basic tools. Practice is important before working on customer items. Startup cost ranges from 135,000 to 200,000 naira. You can charge between 2,000 and 3,000 naira per item, with profit margins between 50 and 70%. 12. Social media management. Many small businesses want to be visible online but do not know how to manage their pages. If you understand content creation and communication, you can manage accounts for them. Startup cost is mainly for tools and internet, ranging between 140,000 and 200,000 naira. You can charge between 100,000 and 150,000 naira per client monthly. With just a few clients, income grows quickly. 13. Home tutoring or online lessons. Teaching is one of the most stable businesses because people always want to learn. You can teach school subjects or skills such as music or coding. You can also teach online to reach more students. Startup cost ranges from 105,000 to 175,000 naira. You can earn between 3,000 and 5,000 naira per session, leading to monthly income between 100,000 and 150,000 naira. 14. Mobile car wash business. A mobile car wash brings the service directly to the customer, which makes it very convenient. You need washing tools, cleaning products, and a simple transport plan. Startup cost ranges from 130,000 to 190,000 naira. Charging 2,000 to 3,000 naira per car, you can generate strong daily income, especially in busy areas. 15. Smoothie and juice business. The final business is smoothie and juice production. With growing health awareness, many people prefer fresh drinks over soft drinks. You need a blender, fresh fruits, and clean packaging. Quality and hygiene are very important. Startup cost ranges from 130,000 to 190,000 naira. Profit margins can be between 30 and 50%, and with steady customers, this can expand into a full beverage brand. Now that you have seen these 15 businesses, the most important question is not which one is best. Choose based on your environment, your skill, and the people you can reach easily. Start small, but start properly. Manage your money carefully. Reinvest your profit. Serve your customers well. And grow step by step. 200,000 naira is enough to begin. What you do with it is what makes the difference. If you want to go deeper, read the full guide on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/business to start with 200k in Nigeria/ and take your next step with clarity. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. We are rooting for you. See you in the next video.